What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. DJ coming back at you. Today is, I believe it's the 7th. If it's not the 7th, June 7th, 2023, I'll put the correction up here. But I think it's the 7th, and I'm going to the gym, but I stopped to get me some food first. I got me some chicken BLT sandwiches from Wendy's. I'm gonna start trying their, they have like this thing I saw, and I don't think a lot of the Wendy's restaurants serve it, but it's like a grilled chicken wrap. I know McDonald's has them. They also have the crispy wrap too, but I'm gonna start adding those into my diet just to get, because I just need protein and I need not that many calories. I'll take like a 250 calorie wrap and then just get a couple of those and then kind of call it a day from there. But I ordered some food because it's like 7 o'clock right now. I was editing again for a good chunk of the day, and then I decided to come out, make my way to this side of town and get a workout in, but I wanted to get me some food before I went in because I knew if I didn't get food, I would have to resort to kind of eating whatever was at my house. And I also need to go grocery shopping too. I have to get some more chicken and also some more ground beef, I think. I definitely need that. That's kind of what I'm shooting towards. But today we're gonna do shoulders. I need to do, what is it? I'm gonna do shoulders and I'm gonna do cardio. NBA Finals is today, game 3. So we're gonna watch, I'll probably start watching that while I'm at the gym as well. Watch it on my tablet, I guess. And then after finish, go home and try to finish everything else. That's the goal for today. We shall see. What's this? Right here. What's up, man? I forgot to give you my drinks. You didn't give my drinks, my boy. You didn't give my drinks for my sandwiches. But now I'm gonna have to go inside and get them. So, time to go inside. Oh man, I had to go in there, get my drink. I think they messed up my order too, but I'm not gonna go in there and dispute it. I don't have time. One thing, I'll just dispute it on the mobile order and get points back and then go from there. They didn't give me nuggets. Now I don't mean the nugget, I just put in my mouth. I ordered more. But with that being said, now it's time to hit the gym. So I'll see you guys when I get there. And they gave me nuggets that are spicy too. I hate spicy. I'll be eating more of those. All right, see ya. Collins, 5 minutes of cardio. It's out 13. Part 2. Come soon. Alright, fun fact, I actually made a mistake and hit the cool down, but it's all good. 12 minutes early. It's like 10:30 now. I gotta get out of here, but you guys are ready now. I'll be back in here tomorrow. See you guys later. Peace. What's going on, guys? DJ coming back at you. Another video. Today is June 8th, 2023. I'm at Panda Express. It's 8:21 p.m. Orange chicken. I had to get double orange chicken and they only had noodles. They didn't have any rice. They're like, oh, it's gonna be like a 10-minute wait if you want any of the other stuff. I'm like, okay. And they're like, oh, well, we don't have any grilled chicken. There's gonna be a wait on that as well. So I'm like, all right, well, I'll just take orange chicken. So I'm gonna eat some of this, go work out. I got chest today. Gonna have a good 2.5-hour workout, hopefully. Just wanted to get some food in my system. Show you what I got. All right, this is for you. Orange chicken, double orange chicken. They didn't have any rice, so I had to get noodles instead. That's it. I don't know why having a double serving of this orange chicken, super spicy. That's better. This is hot, super hot. All right, to the gym. It's not food here. This part came up as I was unwrapping. Just gonna wrap it up. $600. How to get off of it? 600. Let me get out of here. See you guys tomorrow. Peace.